Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing video, but this time it's not going to be techie based or gadget based, I promise. This time it's going to be on a subscription box. Now I got this subscription box via Sweatcoin and offering it as one of their new offers of the week. Now a subscription box I'll be unboxing today's video is called musclefood. So what musclefood is, if you can't tell by the title, it is basically a subscription box of people who do a lot of exercise. It gives you lots of food and other supplements as well that include all the good stuff you need before you go and either do your workout or something you can eat after your workout. Now the reason I tried this out is because I do tend to go running a lot and I've always been looking for new stuff I can eat either before or after a workout, which actually is good for me. So a lot of the times I'll go out for a run, then I'll go and graze on something I really shouldn't be grazing on, and it puts the calories back on again, and there's completely no point me going for a run at all, so it's not done anything for my body. Now I don't know if I'm going to carry on subscribing to this afterwards, but I wanted to give it a go and unbox it on camera for you guys, so you guys can see if it's something you'd like to try in the future as well. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin. So here is the packaging of musclefood. It says on the side, reveal the mystery, gives you hashtag or fill my box, and has obviously musclefood on the top here. It seems to have come a little bit damaged. It actually came like this. I think it was damaged a little bit in transport, but this was actually my fault. I was ripping off the address for doing this video, so I didn't want you guys to see my address on the packaging, and I basically ripped all the way down here as well. So that bit is my fault, but the rest of it isn't, I promise. Anyway, let's get it open now and see what's inside. I'm going to go for the first item. So the first item here is, we've got some Mousse protein pancakes. Interesting, okay. The pancakes full of protein. They're very high proteins, it's brilliant. More looking at stuff, it's got more protein in it. It's gluten free, so if you have a gluten free diet, this one's perfect for you as well. They've catered for you. It comes with 20 pancakes per bag, and it has instructions on the top which says just add water and sizzle. It's golden syrup flavour, which is quite cool. It's a 500-gram packet, so it's a pretty big packet. It's not just giving you a sample either, it's actually giving you the entire thing. Some subscription boxes will only give you a sample of something. This one's actually giving you the entire thing, which I think is really cool. Never seen these in a supermarket though. So I'm not sure if it's just a musclefood thing only, whether it's sold in a different country and they're just putting it in their musclefood box as well. If you've seen it sold in store before, please let me know, and where it was sold as well. And of course you've got all the stuff on the back. It does say there as well, suitable for vegetarians. Your vegetarian and gluten-free diet, this one's good, this one caters to you. So moving on to the next item now. Next I'm going to go for is this, what looks like a water cup. Well, I need to briefly talk about this part of the video because it's really embarrassing. Basically, when I said drinks cup, or whatever it was I just said, I meant to say water bottle, but for some reason I completely forgot the word bottle. So I kept saying other things other than water bottle and drinks bottle. So whenever I said stupid stuff like water jug, stuff like that, hopefully you guys will know I actually meant water bottle. Just in case you didn't, I'm sorry, I went completely blank and I said the wrong word. So that's what's happening there. That's actually really cool, and it's pink. I absolutely adore pink, so they definitely have catered for me very well there. It says booty on it. I'm so immature, it's terrible. Actually made me laugh. But it looks like you probably could put tea or some hot drinks in it as well. But that's actually really cool. I'm always looking for new water flask things, I'm terrible. So that's actually really cool that they're giving me that. And now moving on to the next item inside the box, and that is, I'm going to go for this one. This one's called Favour and Navy Buffs, salt and vinegar flavour. I don't really like salt and vinegar that much, but I'll probably still eat it. It's got lots of protein, it's for vegans, so if you're a vegan you can have this. It's catered for you guys as well. And it's high in fibre and a source of protein. It says musclefood on the bottom, so I'm imagining this is something you can only get from musclefood and nothing else, but I could be wrong. So there's that one there. Moving on to what looks like the last item now, and that is high protein fruit and yogurt clusters. It says here, pea protein crispies clustered together in a delicious fruit and yogurt flavoured coating. It sounds very interesting. I've never heard of this before. I've never heard of Dr. Zach's before. He made this. So this isn't the kind of thing I would normally tend to go to shop and buy, I admit, but I am grateful for the opportunity to actually get given this stuff. I never would normally go out and buy and try, because I am actually really, when it comes to eating, my diet's not very good. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be able to try out something brand new. This does look very, very healthy, probably better for me than crisps, because what I tend to do is I go for a run and then I put the calories straight back on again that I've just lost by eating complete crap. So this video might actually end up being life-changing for me. So I might find some things I really like the taste of, and that'll be it. My diet will be changed forever. I'm not sure what's going to happen, so don't hold your breath on that, but it's a start anyway. But anyway, that's in the video. I admit I am quite shocked at the amount of stuff that actually did come out of here. I was expecting there to be a lot more stuff in here, but at the same time, like, at the end of the day, this and this are quite big, so I had to fit that in that box. It's actually not as big as it looks, so I can kind of see why it wasn't that much. I have to admit though, every single thing that they've given me is actually quite well tailored to me. Like, I mean, I love pink, so this will definitely be being used because I do love pink. They actually chose the right colour. It may not come in any other colour anyway, but I do like the fact it came in pink. I very much appreciate that. I like the fact you actually gave you the full product. I didn't just give you little samples of a product, they actually gave you the full product as well. That's really cool. But like I said a minute ago, this video could change my diet, because I might think, oh, actually I really like the stuff that I got from musclefood. I might buy some more online. So it could be a start of a whole new me, but like I said earlier, I wouldn't hold your breath. I will be putting the links down below of the musclefood website, so if you would like to check out yourself and get your first box. I don't know what the offers are like without sweat coins. Obviously I've got mine free sweat coin, but if you like to try sweat coin yourself as well, I'll put a link to the app as well as the video I reviewed it if you would like to know more about it first before downloading it. I'm out off to go and gorge myself healthy food for once in my life. But anyway, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to me. I am so close to 1.8k now, so if you would like to help me get there, please press the subscribe button down below. It means absolutely well to me if I get there, hopefully at the end of this month if I can. And of course press the bell button down below as well, notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.